Hi everyone, this is Diane. I want to take a few minutes just to quickly share a couple of items that I bought at Michael's maybe 2 weekends ago. I went to the As Is bin, and just real quick, it was 3 items, and I purchased these archival bags, and they're 40 pieces, and because it was open, just because it was torn, I was able to get it for 75 cents. Then these clear blocks, again, because it was open and there was the little one is missing and it only has this one, I was able to get it for $2.25. And then this larger one, I don't have this big one. Also, if you can see, it's all taped up. It must have opened and they just put it back together. And it was originally $12.99 and I got it for $3.25. And that's it. I just wanted to quickly share these with you before I put them away. I'm expecting a package this afternoon, and hopefully I have time to share the items of the package with you guys. Alrighty, have a great weekend, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye!